Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds by Neeru. So, having fun these days? But today, this time, we are going to study, and that is lesson 11 of your book. And the lesson name is Books Are Fun. So, should I start? Okay, but before starting with the exercise, I want to tell you something about this name, the name of the Indian roller. Okay, so what is this? The roller is the state bird of three Indian states, Karnataka, Telangana, and Odisha. It's a territorial bird that usually feeds on insects, especially beetles. It is best known for aerobatic displays, which includes twists and turns that give these birds their English name of rollers. Now, I'm sure you must have understood why the name is so. Okay, the name is Indian roller. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell you about this, that Indian roller is commonly known as Neelkant. In Hindi, Neelkant means blue throat. Okay, this name is associated with the deity Shiva, who drank poison resulting in the blue throat. You must have studied or you must have heard about Lord Shiva's story that he had consumed, what did he consume? He had consumed poison just for the welfare of all the human beings. Okay, so I'm going to start with the comprehension first, that is part A. Write T for true or F for false. Five statements are here. Okay, now we are going to start with first one, that is Kavya and Aman study in the same school. Is it true or false? It is true. Aman's mother is a writer. Is it true? No, it is false. Aman shows the picture to his father. Aman? No. Yes. Aman shows the picture to his father. Right. Kavya's mother teaches at Navjyoti school. Yes or no? No. False. It is false. Now, Aman's mother makes books for teachers. Again, false. No. Okay. So, I've done all the true false with you. Now, we come to the B part, that is answer these questions. Four questions are there, students. We'll be discussing one by one. First is, what does Kavya show Aman? And the answer is, Kavya shows Aman a picture of an Indian roller. Okay. Second question, where does Aman's father teach? Aman's father teaches at Navjyoti School for children who cannot see. Okay. Now, third question, what does Aman's mother do? Aman's mother makes books for children, not for teachers. Just now I did it in true false. Okay. Now, question number 4, what do the children enjoy in the office? The children enjoy looking at the pictures in the books. So it is done. Now we come to part C. Answer these questions with yes, I can or no, I cannot. If you can do that work, you can do that action, you will reply as yes, I can. If you are not able to do it, then you should reply no, I cannot. For example, first one is fly a kite. So what is your answer? No, I cannot, because you are very small. You cannot fly it. So your answer will be no, I cannot. Second is polish your shoes. No, I cannot. Third, thread a needle. No, I cannot. You must have seen your mother, grandparents, grandmother doing this action, doing threading a needle, but you cannot because you are small child. Next is ride a bicycle. Yes, I can. I hope you all know how to ride a bicycle. You enjoy bicycling? Okay, next is tell a story. Yes, I can. I think at your home, your grandmom's grandmother must be telling you stories, and you can also tell a story. So your answer will be yes, I can. You can change your answer, beta. If you think you can do that work, if you think you cannot do, just say no, I cannot. Otherwise, yes, I can. Next is drive a car. No, I cannot. Peel an orange. Yes, I can. Shell peas. Yes, I can. Paint a picture? Yes, I can. Clear? Now we move to question number D. Add ER or to name these people. They are the names of the people here. You have to add ER or OR. Okay? You should know the correct spelling of these people. First is teacher. So ER at the end of it, the word teacher. Next is actor. OR. Okay? Next is farmer. FARMER. Fourth is sailor. SAILOR. Next is bank. So for this, banker. ER. Banker. And next word is tailor. Tailor. In that you have to add OR. See here, tailor is stitching a dress. Next word is conductor. Again, OR at the end of these alphabets. See here, you can see here it is he's asking for the ticket, and in other it's a funny clip. In this you can see he is helping to make everyone sit. Next, number 8 is singer. Okay, for singer you have to add ER. Okay, now the last one, ninth number is painter. For painter you have to add ER. Do you like to paint? Yes, I know every child likes to paint and draw, coloring. You have fun. Okay, now move to E part. That is, fill in double letters to make words. What are the double letters? Like double T, double N, double L, double B, double P, or double R. First one is balloon. See here. So double R, I have inserted double R in these alphabets. Next is slippers. So I have to insert double P. Slippers. Cozy slippers. Next, third number is rabbit. So cute. Now rabbit, double B. Then next is sparrow. Double R. SPARROW. Sparrow. Looking here and there. Number 5, dinner. Wow. Looks yummy. Double N. DINNER. Last one is bottle. See the bottle. BOTTLE. Okay. Now F part is write 2 sentences about each picture. Use words from the box. And what are the words? Nurse, dentist, cook, barber. And this picture I've taken from your book only. So about dentist, I'm a dentist. I take care of your teeth. Okay. I hope all of you brush your teeth in the morning and at night before going to bed. Yes. Always take care of your teeth. Then you need not go to dentist. Okay. Next is, see the picture. It's a picture of barber. So 2 sentences can be made like, I am a barber. I cut your hairs. You must have been going to barber. You must be going to salon or parlor. Okay. Next is, this is a cook. So what are the lines? I am a cook. I cook tasty food. He's tasting the food. Yummy. Okay. Now the last word is nurse. I'm a nurse. I take care of sick. See in the clip, you can see the nurse is giving medicine and water to the patient. Okay. So now G part. In this, circle the names of these birds in the words search. So you see 3 pictures here and 3 pictures on this side, and there's a crossword. And the words or the names of the birds are given in this box. So this is a crossword. So first of all, there is parakeet. PARAKEET. Like it's like a parrot. Okay. Now next word is pigeon. PI down. PIGEON. Pigeon. So smartly. How smartly pigeon is walking. So cute. Lovely. Now next is crow. See here. Across. CROW. Crow. Now this is a sparrow. 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 Down. Sparrow. Next is, how many are left? Only duck and peacock. Two more words we have to find out in this crossword. Now this is a duck. See here, across, D-U-C-K, duck. So walking so cutely, so cute. Now next is only last one is left, that is peacock. At the bottom you can see peacock here, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. See, the peacock is dancing so beautiful. I like the feathers of peacock. So beautiful. Colors are really very beautiful. Okay, so here's the end of your chapter. I've completed the exercise with you. If you like the video, you have understood it well, then please leave a comment for me. I'll be happy to read it. Okay, so take care. See you soon, very soon. Bye bye.